How to check all Gmail accounts, messages, or emails in one inbox chat in Gmail app. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can check your all Gmail accounts messages in one inbox. So for that we will simply open Gmail app. Now here on top left side you guys will see three lines, so simply click on that. On the right side you guys will see profile pic. It will show like the Gmail that currently logged in, but for all messages we will simply click on three lines. Here you guys will see all inboxes, primary, promotion, social, update. Once you guys click on all inboxes, in that chat or that inbox section you guys will receive messages from all your Gmail accounts that are logged in your Gmail app. Thanks for watching.